Hi everyone, I'm super excited to be partnering with Laila to make a delicious Lucknowi biryani using their biryani kit. The kit has all the spices you need for a biryani along with their finest basmati rice. Once the rice was cooked, I strained it using a sieve and then ran a fork along to fluff the grains. To cook the meat for the biryani, I added 2 tablespoons of oil to a medium pan and sauteed the boneless chicken for a few minutes before adding the masala. After adding the masala, I added 200 ml of hot water and cooked until the chicken was done. Now the cooking time will vary depending on the kind of protein you use. The biryani kit delivers on taste, and you also get an opportunity to gift a meal through Laila's Buy a Meal Gift a Meal campaign. Once your meat has cooked, now it's time for the final bit and my favorite part, assembling the biryani. In a pot, layer out the rice and meat, and you may add fresh coriander, mint, and fried onions between the layers. Place a lid on the pot and cook for another 5 minutes on very low heat. Serve the biryani hot with Laila's mango chutney and chili pickle, and as they say in Lucknow, no shirmaye. Do read the caption for more details.